To add a covering letter, terms and conditions, and the quote specifications, and format this document, you can go into the quote sheet, go down to the bottom of the page, there'll be a link, Add Cover Letter. Click on this and it will open up a separate window containing some predefined text. This is a template that is set up for each regional franchisee. Now you can change certain aspects. You can change the date on the letter, for example. It defaults when you first create this letter to today's date. This next section has got the name of the customer and the address. If you need to change this, exit out of the covering letter, go to the top of the quote sheet screen, click on Edit Customer, click Go, change the information that is contained within the Customer Details panel, save that, and then restart this process. For the salutation, you can change this to whatever you wish. The name that has been pre-populated in here comes from the contact that is selected by you when you created the quote sheet and selected the address type. In this section here, in this box, if your region has a templated body text for the covering letter, it will appear in this section. For this example, there's only the 3 words, and they are systems driven. You can delete them, you can change them, reformat them, do whatever you wish. Please note that you should refrain from copying and pasting from a Word document directly into this panel. If you need to do this, we suggest that you find the place in which you want to add the particular information. Click on this icon which represents Paste from Word. Paste the text that you wish to add. We would suggest that you ignore the font and the style definitions. This will strip all the formatting that was in the Word document so that it is a more consistent look and feel to the letter. These other panels are redundant and not necessary. You come down to the bottom here, and just above the Terms and Conditions heading will be your details. In the Terms and Conditions section should be a pre-populated set of terms and conditions. If you need to make any changes, you may do so, but please bear in mind this should be done with the agreement of the regional franchisee. Then you've got a signature section. This is a section where the customer is to sign, accepting the terms and conditions, the price, and the specifications of the quote. If you're happy with all these sections, you can click Save. And you will see at the top of the quote screen successfully inserted. If you ever need to revisit that covering letter, just simply go back to Add Covering Letter. It will come up with the window again, and it will display all the changes that you've previously made. So as you can see here, I added those words, and then you can continue to save. If you don't want to save the work or the changes that you made, just simply click Cancel or close this window.